scoring and completion. This is the base. Before we were tracking in LMSs or LRSs, we were doing, oh, Joe completed the class, Joe got a 50. Good stuff. We also track that. Sally completes the class. Sally got a 95. So we have our indirect learning actions, and these are input that doesn't alter the course's progression. This would be someone who is fluttering around with their mouse. Easy example. Drags and drops. Bad results. And here we can come up with an unlimited number of verbs, and we have a verb server for that purpose to keep track of those verbs. This course has a number of those, but it's an unlimited number that you can add in depending on what you're trying to track. And then we have non-actions, and non-actions are like the billing incident. So I start the course at 12 o'clock. At 2:30 in the afternoon, I'm done for the day. I put my computer down. How much time was really spent focusing on the class? How much time was spent focusing on each one of the sessions? How intense was the learning process? So we do non-action tracking, where we're sending messages to the server that are unrelated to what the person is inputting, to let us know that the person is still there. Okay, still, if they go out and check a sports score, we note they're not there. We don't know they did a sports score yet, but I'm working on it. So if you look at the amount of data that we have as we go through these, the data quantities. When I say web logs, this one I didn't mention before. One of the first discussions I had with someone on learning analytics was a company that was selling its management on their learning program based on the number of people who'd clicked to start the course. And they would say 6,000 people last week took the course. Well, 6,000 people clicked the link to start the course. It's a data point. It's not as good. But you get one of those every time somebody starts the course, right? The second one we have is our legacy learning analytics, which provides us with a couple of data points per page. And that's what the person's actually, clicked, advanced, answered, etc. Then the indirect data can then multiply the amount of data points that we gather from what the person moved to. And then the focus data points added on exponentially.